Actually, the ARROW study is a global study and enrolled the patient with RET-fusion driver gene. Actually, the RET-fusion is a kind of rare driver gene in non-small cell lung cancer. Just about 1 to 2% patients carrying this RET-fusion driver gene. But in this very small population, the target therapy have did a very dramatic progression dramatically improved the patient efficacy. So this time I just report 2 cohorts in the global ARROW study, cohort 2 and cohort 8. In cohort 2, this is a global cohort, and part of the patient are from China. And in cohort 8, this is a China-only cohort. So this time I will combine the patient from the 2 cohorts into my presentation, and half of them are heavily treated patients. They received this target drug in not first line, and half of the patients in the cohort 2 first line treatment. So this time, actually, in WCLC, in last year WCLC, we have reported the patient efficacy and toxicity, but all the patients in last year we report are heavily treated patients. And so this is the first time for us to report the first line efficacy and toxicity for the RET-fusion patient in Chinese non-small cell lung cancer. So, actually, usually first line efficacy is much better than heavily treated. So this time you can see in first line setting, the response rate is quite high, nearly more than 80%. So this response rate is very high, and it's also tolerable. So I think this is a very, very promising first line choice for RET-fusion patient.